guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to go over the Menu 23 pizza slice with pepperoni pizza, MRE. I have never had this one, so stay tuned. Let's see how it is. Alright guys, so this is what the MRE looks like here. You can see, give you guys a minute to read that. So these are like what soldiers eat. This is kind of stuff like they hand out during disaster events and stuff like that. A lot of people use them for camping and prepping and that kind of stuff. So yeah. So we're gonna open it up here. We're gonna see what's inside. We're gonna have some lunch here. So. Normally I would open it just like a crazy person, but I've never had this one before. And I'd really like to keep the bag, maybe display it. Alright, that's what the inside looks like. Alright, so the first thing we got here is vegetable crackers. So I guess it's hard to get your vegetables in the field, so they supply that for you. You have your pizza slice heater cardboard sleeve, and you have the actual heater itself. Now, a lot of times people will not use these correctly. They will not work. Also, these are notorious for not working in general. I have a couple of funny stories about that, but that'll be a different video. We have a chocolate protein drink powder. So basically like the military's version of chocolate milkshake. I don't know. We'll find out. A bomb-proof spoon. These things, like, you should not be throwing these away. You can reuse these. These are heavy freaking duty, guys. We have, cherry cobbler. The bag for the mixture of the drink, I believe. Cheese spread with jalapenos. I have heard that this is like the #1 thing that is traded because it is so freaking awesome. We're going to find out. You have matches. It looks like a cleaning wipe. Sugar. Napkins. Usually there's creamer in there. There's gum. It's kind of all your extra stuff. We have a oatmeal cookie. Those are pretty good. I've had one of those before. And the holy grail, the thing we have all been waiting for, the pepperoni pizza slice. So, without further ado, let me go find a tray, and we will get this out. Alright guys, let's start getting this stuff out here. So, first thing we're going to put out here, I just grabbed a baking sheet. Still got to get a actual physical tray. So, we're not even going to heat up the pizza because you don't have to. And to be quite honest, the heater's kind of a pain in the butt. And we're tough, so we don't need one anyway, right? So there's the pizza. Not too bad, not too bad. We have our oatmeal cookie. Dang, it's still even intact. Look at that, guys. We have our crackers. These are the ones that fall apart, guys. Oh. Come on. Come on. Oh, still in 2 pieces. Look at that. Dang. I just had these come in, so the fact that they survived shipping is a miracle. We have our cherry cobbler. Let's get that open. Alright. Got our cherry cobbler. Let's get some of our jalapeno cheese here. Put it on the crackers, maybe. The crackers aren't that bad. The cheese is okay. My most favorite MRE that I've actually ever had is one of the older ones, and it is chicken with salsa. Now, when I went to the surplus store, the guy behind the counter told me that when he was in Vietnam and stuff like that, that people would trade those MREs because they hated them. Quite honestly, I thought it was like the best one. Okay, got that spread around. Let's see, the chocolate protein drink. So, I think, guys, for the sake of this video, because it's kind of wasteful, I'm not going to drink this right now. Also, these are notorious for making you get bounded up, not be able to use the bathroom, so yeah, we're going to skip that. Do have a bottle of water here, so we'll see what comes in this packet here, and we will put that in the water. Got our towels. We got coffee. Looks like we got creamer, sugar, salt, matches, cleaning towelette, and the bubble gum. Usually it comes with like a fruity drink. All the other ones that I've had did, but you know they were kind of older ones, so maybe they just don't include that anymore. So we're actually going to skip the coffee because I've already had 3 cups today, and I'm just going to have water. But this stuff basically, guys, is just like your regular crystallized coffee. It's nothing special. It's very overpowering if you don't put creamer and sugar in it, in my opinion. I might just be a lightweight. So, without further ado, let's start tasting this stuff, guys. So, you guys don't complain. There is going to be chewing sounds, swallowing. This is a taste testing video. If you don't like it, leave. Okay? Alright, first things first, we are going to try this pizza here. Hmm. 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 Definitely need some water. The pepperoni on that is like something you would just buy at the store. It's a little bready. Not bad. The cheese is pretty good. It's kind of like a, I don't know, like a shredded block cheese. It's got that kind of consistency to it. You could taste the sauce. It's not very saucy, but that makes sense because that's the store for a long time, and tomato sauce is acidic. Overall, guys, that's pretty good. I would put that right there with like those cheap pizzas that you would buy, like the cheap microwave pizzas. Yeah, that's actually really freaking good. Hold on, guys, I have to have another bite of that. Okay. Alright. Had all we're going to have of this one here. I'm going to tell you guys what. If you had to literally survive and you got the pepperoni pizza MRE, you have nothing to complain about that day. Like, honestly. Get the cheese off our spoon here. Not bad. You taste the jalapeno and cheese. Pretty good. Try our cheesy cracker here. That cracker is very dense. And I'm surprised that it says it's a vegetable cracker and it's not colored as a vegetable. Because usually, if you guys buy that, like the noodles in the store, and it's like vegetable noodles, they're colored. They're like green and orange and red and all that other stuff. That's pretty freaking good. Cheese is perfect on that. It's not overpowering. Not bad. Alright, let's try our cookie here. We're just gonna break off a piece if we can. Not very soft, I can tell you that. Oh, guys. This cookie right here is a freaking cookie you would get at a freaking grocery store. I kid you not. Oh my god. And guys, literally, there's 2 freaking desserts in this MRE. You have the cookie, and you have the cherry cobbler. Like, what more can you ask for? If you have a sweet tooth, this is perfect. Like, this has to be the junkiest food MRE I've ever seen, and it's amazing. Alright, guys. Last but not least, we have our cherry cobbler. Kind of mix it around here so it doesn't look so gelatized. Now, I do see a cherry right here. See, that's a good sized bite there. Will that work? Okay. So, basically, all this purplish stuff that you see is breading. It's like the flour when you make the cobbler. So the cherries have actually dyed it. Get a good cherry right there. Wow. You know, it's not overpowering. It's not too sugary. You can definitely taste the cherries. Honestly, if you didn't see how this looked, and maybe it was like baked in the oven, and someone pulled it out, you would honestly not even know this came out of an MRE. Like, straight up. Guys, I'm going to do a lot more MRE taste testing reviews. As you guys can see, I'm trying to get a kind of a shooting scene set up back here. We're still in the setup process for that. And guys, stay tuned. We're going to be doing a lot more videos, especially MRE taste testing videos. If you guys want me to do something specific, will you guys comment down below and let me know. I do have quite a few MREs that we're going to taste test throughout the days and coming months. I would like to try some foreign ones. I've never had anything outside the U.S. I was thinking about the those orange humanitarian MREs because honestly, those look disgusting. I think that would make a great video. So other than that, guys, I'm going to finish my lunch here. And I hope you guys liked the video. And I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. I had a fun time here today. And yeah, I'm going to finish up my lunch. You guys have a great day.